Welcome to the video demonstration of Defect Tracker template from Adaptive Processes. Tracking defects is essential in a software project to ensure quality of the deliverables of the project. Defect ID field uniquely identifies a defect. Module, application, CR name field indicates the module or application name on which the defect is raised. Here MPP integration is the feature on which this particular defect is being raised. Observation field provides a description of the defect. Here the defect description is MPP import is not working. Observation type indicates the type of the defect, such as whether it is a defect or a suggestion. MPP import not working is a defect. Observation status gives the information about the status of the defect found. Here defect status is accepted. Priority field captures the priority of the defect. It can be low, medium, high or very high. Here defect severity is high, as it is a crucial feature of the product. Status field indicates the progress of the defect. That is, whether the resolution is in progress, open, closed, cancel, fixed or rejected. Here it is in progress for the defect. Plan closure date captures the plan date by which the defect needs to be closed. Actual closure date is the date on which the defect is closed. Here actual closure date is 3rd July 2012, whereas the plan date was 1st July 2012. Severity indicates the degree of impact that a defect has on the development or operation of a component or system. The various severity levels could be very high, high, medium and low. Assigned to field captures the name of the employee who is responsible to fix the defect. Here Bob Merle is responsible for the fixing of the defect. Raised by captures the name of the employee who raised the defect. Here John Munyon has raised the defect. Effort to fix captures the effort required in terms of person or person day to fix the defect. For example, 20 person hours is required to fix the defect. Release captures the release cycle under which this bug fix will be released. For example, here the release is September 2012. External fields indicates if the defect is raised by customer. Here the defect is external, since it has been raised by customer. Type field captures the type of the defect. It can be logical, user interface related, functional, design issue or standard related defect. Here the defect type is logical. Review field gives the information whether the defect was captured during review or testing. Cycle indicates the number of testing cycles completed for the defect. Here it is second cycle of testing. Configuration item field captures the details of the configuration items that needs to be modified to fix the defect. MPP integration code is the configuration item here, which needs modification to fix the defect. Primary cause field captures the reason behind the defect. It can be lack of clarity, communication skills, lack of standards, poor requirement, user training or testing. Here lack of clarity is the primary reason for the defect. Origin phase indicates the phase of the cycle at which the defect is originated. This defect has originated in construction phase. Detection phase tells about the phase at which the defect is detected. This defect has been detected in testing phase. Is defect repeated captures if the defect is a repeated defect. Here defect is not repeated again. Solution describes the action taken to fix the defect. Thank you for undergoing the video learning module on Defect Tracker template from Adaptive Processes. For any further help or clarification, please feel free to contact us at info@adaptiveprocesses.com.